Good morning, everybody. So I'm gonna be taking the G-Wagon down to LA tomorrow to do some much needed maintenance. Wow, man, now that I got a Mercedes, I'm appreciating Mercedes now. It's an E63S. That's some real horsepower right there. I wonder if he wants to race. I'll take off on him. Just joking. Let's see if this goes on the freeway like the 892 M3. I need to get an exhaust on this ASAP. You know, it sounds really nice. It could be a lot louder. Something with valves, you know? That'd be sick. Oh man. Dang. Look at what car he just finished. Sheesh. Is it unlocked? Oh, it's locked. Nice. Z06. So the car is still warm, but one thing is this. I can pull out the dipstick. And they don't sell it in Germany, they don't sell it here, they don't sell it anywhere. So the mastermind is gonna take a look and take it out. So we got that out. I just say it was a big pain. So that's what I see and why we want to change this side right here. That's way too much stuff, bro.
It's a lot. It's not too bad though, but it's a lot.
Where is it? Oh, wow, there's a lot of tools right there. Look. So the battery in this car is in the rear footwell.
Just gonna remove that to 10.
It's humongous. You see, it was easy to take off, Andrew. The air filter looks new, man. Oh, well,
It's not bad actually. Not bad, but pretty clean. You can keep them as spares.
oh, fuck it, bro.
Just sell it before anything else happens.
So the entire harness is off, PCV valve is off, and there's just torque screws right here, and right here. So the fuel rails go all the way to this side, and you have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. Forget it, man. This is too complicated. So we ended up having to take out the entire air box for the AC just so we could reach the back portion and take off the entire evap system, right? The fuel rail is out. How hard is this to get out? Bro, you can't cuss. Gonna destroy my monetization. So we replaced, or we took off the intake on from the bottom side, right?
Yep.
And then connected to the turbo. Fuel line is out. Both of the high pressure fuel pumps are out. So we're just taking the PCV off, the back portion. That should be it. We can already see the silicone for this passenger side. Man, it doesn't even seem like that much. That's it? And if you're wondering, these aren't aluminum like BMW. I think this is the first quality piece that I've seen. Oh, and the mechanical high pressure fuel pumps are pretty quality, right?
Yeah, they're good.
But they're probably like super expensive to replace. Oh, yeah. The moment of truth. Oh, they came out.
Yeah, they're just out.
Okay, injectors are all fully out. Hey, what do you think about the end of these?
That's fine. It's because it's inside the motor.
So it looks okay? Okay, bro.
Push these down.
Dang, was that a boosted Z?
Okay.
Wow, a whole lot of dust dumped out.
Oh.
Yum, so.
They did very well taken care of.
I'm assuming you just put,
So now we gotta clean up all the silicone right here.
Yeah.
See, look, the guy who put it, see here, because this is the area where it was leaking back here.
yeah.
You can see the guy, see right here?
You just put a little bit.
Yeah, it wasn't sealed properly. So, yeah, this was definitely done before. This isn't original.
Hey, but I'm more impressed with the way this looks like in here, man.
Very clean.
Nice. And this is just from that leak. This is probably where it was initially leaking, right here.
So that goes kind of like that one here.
And that just drives the pump.
So this little square right here drives these pistons right here, and then that actuates the high pressure pump. Sheesh, man.
Had pretty tall engines.
Yeah. So, we made a boo-boo. Where's the time chain go? So this piece lays inside right here and goes right on top of here, and it's like disintegrating in our hands. So we can't finish the job. And apparently it needs a new oil pan gasket too. So, to be continued.
Part 2, 3, 7, 9, 12.
Part 1 of the G-Wagon rebuild. Andrew Atala special. Oh man.
Not bad though for the first day.
So you're testing the bushings with the pry bar.
Just to test and see if there's any give.
So if you have a G-Wagon, don't be alarmed if you see the gunk. That's normal.
Yeah, no, that's normal.
So I think that's it for this vlog. Going in, I have kind of like a mixed review about Mercedes now. I like that there's a metal valve cover. I like that you can reuse all the screws. They're not aluminum like BMW. But all the plastics are just so brittle. And it's only a 2013, and you figure this is a G63. Like, it's probably the most quality hand-built engine, and everything just feels like it's deteriorating. So Other than applying the silicone, which I don't really like for valve covers, we're gonna redo the valve cover. Loud birds. The oil pan, the lower oil pan is, I believe it's silicone also. We're gonna do that. We're gonna change the oil cap, the O-rings for the valve cover, the O-rings for the injectors, and see how much it is to replace the air conditioning box, because it seems like the valve cover is actually redone by another shop and they just did not do a good job, and that's why it's seeping. So they had probably pried open the entire air conditioning box when it's not supposed to even be opened. More so, it's just supposed to be detached from the car. So the top portion of it is damaged, and I think that's it. Honestly, if I were to take this to Mercedes, all the work that I mentioned would be over like $4,000 or $5,000. So I'm really thankful my cousin's helping me out do all of this. And look who we have here. Oh, Habibi, revving for the vlog. Send it. Oh, ooh. Yalla. Clean, bro. Thanks for your help today, man.
No problem. I mean, I just watched it.
Alright, I'll see you, bro. Enjoy. So, yeah, that's it. Probably gonna start working on this car next week again. Honestly, big shout out to my cousin for helping me out. This is way beyond me, guys. I know nothing about this. Oh, and let me add a little bit of BMW content since I have a lot of BMW followers. Here's the track car. It's a E36. He's rebuilt everything on this car, so he's been using this to just track. Oh, it's locked. But if you haven't seen any of my vlogs, this guy's a big BMW head, and I think that's why we're so we like BMW a lot more than Mercedes. But you see here, he's got some special stuff under here. And I think this is an M6 as well. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. This Z06 has 222,000 miles. Oh, but it sounds so good. You know, I take back about what I said about the Mercedes and all the plastic bits. This is a lot worse. But it does sound really good. This guy is so intense. Oh my gosh. If you haven't seen the vlog before, his garage is legit. What are you doing? Making legs levels for the stand. So only person I know that would rebuild a mill while rebuilding a bike at the same time. Why are you so crazy? Oh my gosh. Stay tuned, everyone. So long, G-Wagon. I like BMW a lot more, but I'll make an exception for you. Oh yeah.